In this video, we're going to look at attaching external references to AutoCAD, and I'm going to use the example in Module 7 of the Boeing 787. To attach a reference file, you would go to the Insert ribbon and use the Attach button here under the Reference panel. So click on Attach, and we're going to look for the drawing or the PDF file Boeing 787, which is located in the class folder. Let me locate that under Module 7. We want the Boeing 787 PDF file, so we'll change our file type to PDF. Select Boeing 787. I need to make sure this is not set to relative path but full path. The PDF file has one page, and we're going to insert that at 0, 0. So I'll click on OK, and then it's going to prompt me for the scale factor. Press enter for 1. Double click the mouse wheel to do a zoom extent, and you'll be able to find the PDF file. Let's see if I put it on the correct layer, reference file, and you'll notice the frame does not appear until I hover over it. So on the Insert tab under Reference, there's an option that says Frame Varies. Let's change that to Display and Don't Plot Frames. I like to be able to see the actual frame. Once you insert your reference file, we'll need to scale it. On the side view of the aircraft, there's a dimension of 2 feet, 206 feet and 1 inch. We need to scale that to that size. So I'm going to select the reference file, right click, and select Scale off of my shortcut menu. AutoCAD will prompt me for a base point, and this point can literally be anywhere. So I'm just going to pick a point, and we're going to use the reference option. So I click on Reference. The reference length is the length of this dimension line. So I can use Object Snap with PDF files that were created by a vector-based program like AutoCAD. So I pick the first point of the dimension line, zoom over to the second extension line, pick that point. Now AutoCAD is asking me for the new length. The new length should be 2,473 inches. That is the correct length in inches. Hit enter, and then the image will scale up. So once I hit enter, I'll need to resume so that I can see the entire project. I'm going to double check my measurement with my measure tool, the distance tool, and I'm just going to check the distance between the dimension lines. Verify that it's 2,473 inches. So now you have an aircraft that is actually scaled full size. After we scale the drawing, we need to clip the rest of the image out. We don't need the top view and the front view. So you can select the image or the PDF file. Let me select it. And then your ribbon will change to PDF underlay. Click on Create Clipping Boundary, and we want to use the polygonal method. So I'll click on that, and I'm just going to freehand a polyline around the aircraft just so that I can cut it out. There's no exactness to this. I just want to cut out that image. So once I draw the polyline, hit enter, and then you have your aircraft clipped out of your PDF file. Now if you don't want to see your image frame, we can go back to Insert and change our status to Hide Frames, and then the frames are hidden until you hover over them. Okay. So that's how you insert an external reference, scale it, and clip it.